Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to upload animations on Roblox Studio. Basically, uploading animations on Roblox Studio, if you have any type of animation, like this one for example. This one is pretty simple. As you can see, you might have a much more complicated animation, like a whole running animation like this, or a jumping animation. Whatever animation you have and you added, basically if you want to publish it so anyone can use it later, it's pretty easy, and I'm going to show you how you can do it. What you're going to do is that you're going to navigate on untitled animation, and then you're going to left click or right click on it. Okay, and once you have it, as you can see, you have import from Roblox or from FBX animation. This you can import with any type of animation. Basically, if I can import an animation from here and I would search, as you can see, you can find an animation to import. But we want to know how to export it, so it's pretty easy. The same procedure. You left click, and once you left click, as you can see, I've got something called publish to Roblox. And then you're going to click on it, and then you're going to have all the type of settings you've got. I'm going to make it animation. I'm going to name it hand movement. Once you have it, you can have a description or something, and then once you do that, you're going to save, and now you've got your animation uploaded. So yeah guys, that was it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.